Word just got in. You know what I'm saying? Police just hit this nigga. The police hit this motherfucker. I want y'all to know the police just hit this nigga. I'm gonna take y'all around. Hold up. Let's check what's going on. Oh man, this all type of shit.
Right here.
His what?
His shoe.
It's right here.
In front of the...
Alright, hold up. It's all type of action outside. Right now going on. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's out this bitch. It's going on out here. You know what I'm saying? I don't got time. Let me go show y'all where the fuck the body at. Yo, let me show y'all where the body at right now. Hold up. Okay, the body right here. Oh, man, they out here. The body out here right here. How you
See
doing,
the body?
man?
Top of it. That's fucked up. That's fucked up because the police hit him.
Police hit my man.